How are we doing, guys? In today's video I'm going to be changing the brakes of my Vauxhall Corsa D. It's been long overdue, they've been grinding and squealing for the last couple of weeks or so. So I'll get this done in this video and I'll show you how I get along with it. With the wheel off, I'm now going to turn the steering wheel left hand down to expose more of the caliper for easier access. It's a 19mm socket to get the caliper bolts off. I'm going to try and take the whole caliper off as one unit. I'm going to spray it up with some WD-40, hopefully try and loosen them off of it. Give that a couple of minutes to soak in. The WD's done the trick. Apologies if there's any wind noise. There's loads of sniffles during this video, it's pretty baltic when I'm sneezing Glasgow. Right, I'm running into my first issue. There's that much of a lip on the disc that the caliper won't come off the whole unit, so I'm going to just try and take off one of the sliders and see if I get any joy in it that way. It's just so I can get some access to try and push the piston back. Slight change of angle for you now. Next off is these two guide bolts that hold your caliper onto the hub, and they are T30 30. Sometimes these can be quite chewed, from experience. Nah, these ones are moving off fine. There's a disc off. Don't know how well it comes across in the camera, but there is a pretty big quite a significant lip on that. So these were long overdue being changed. Right, I'm going to give the brakes right now I'm going to give the brakes a wee clean, just to get any film that comes on them. After giving my new brake a quick clean, generally what I'd do is I would give the surface of the hub a wire brush just to get any rubbish off it, but I've actually misplaced them, so don't crucify me for that in the comments, but don't need to do it now. So they just sit on. It's just the same process as before, just reusing the same screws. Just snug them up, don't want to over tighten them. Now with the new brake disc on, I can go about re-securing the whole caliper. That's the caliper bolts back on now, solid. So I'm going to open up the caliper, or you can just see if I can secure it against here again, just to keep the actual bolt opened. I'm now going to push the piston back with my caliper piston wind back tool that I've got. I've undone the cap for the brake reservoir just so that it goes in that wee bit easier. Putting new brake pads in is pretty straightforward. The one that's got the lug on it here goes to the rear. Again, what I do is I put a wee bit of copper grease just on this bit of the pad and just on these wee runners, just so that they slide in and out. Piston pretty freely. And then it's just a case of placing it into that, placing it into that, and then they just snap it in place. That copper grease should also prevent any brakes failure. It's just going to be the same for the one on the rear. Just a wee bit on the back, obviously it's it's not the side that's going on your brake disc. Now that I've got both brake pads in securely, I can go about, put my caliper back on. Again, it's pretty straightforward. Get my slider pin in. And again, just do that up till it's pretty snug. Point out for your slider pin's a 12mm socket. Start putting the wheel back on. That's one side done.